Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 102, introduction to graphs, section A, easy. Let's start. Observe the given graph and answer the following questions. Question number 6 and 7. The coordinates of C are, see this, where is C? This is C. Now coordinates are always written in x comma y format. Okay. So x is what? For C, x is what? Which strikes or which cuts the x axis. So what cuts? 5. From C, a straight line towards x, 5, it goes to 5. So 5 is the x coordinate. And what is the y coordinate? From C directly to this, 3. So 3 is the y coordinate to y axis. Okay. So x comma y is 5 comma 3. That's the answer. Next, the difference between the y coordinate of G and F is. Now G and F. What is the y coordinate of G? 6. What is the y coordinate of F? 4. So 6 minus 4, 2. 2 is the answer. Next, the point of intersection of coordinate axis is called as, here coordinate axis means x coordinate and y coordinate, or x axis and y axis. So these two axes intersect at what? Origin. See, this is known as quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4 anti-clockwise. Then this is known as axis, x axis and y axis, and the intersection is known as origin. Okay. The line graph shows the performance of two students during a year. Read the graph and answer the following questions. Question number 9 and 10. Okay, this is the line graph. Now what does it contain? Marks and test number. Okay, and these are the students A and B. Okay, A is darker, B is lighter. Okay. Okay, let's start. In which, to watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.